What's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and for this day video, we're going to find which Shopify plan is best for dropshipping. The best Shopify plan for dropshipping depends on your specific needs and budget. Shopify offers several pricing plans, each with its own features and limitations. Here are some considerations to help you choose the right plan for your dropshipping business. So let's get started. The number one is the basic Shopify. This is the most affordable plan and is suitable for beginners or those on a tight budget. It provides all the essential features you need to set up a dropshipping store, including an online store, unlimited products, and 24/7 customer support. However, it lacks some advanced features like gift cards and professional reports. Then the next one is Shopify. The standard Shopify plan includes all the features of basic Shopify, plus additional features like gift cards, professional reports, and abandoned cart recovery. If you're serious about your dropshipping business and want these extra features, this plan might be a good choice. Then the next one is Advanced Shopify. This plan is suitable for dropshippers who are experiencing significant growth and need more advanced tools to manage their business efficiently. It includes all the features of the previous plans along with an advanced report builder and third-party calculated shipping rates. This plan is also suitable if you have a high volume of sales. Then we go to the next one, Shopify Plus. Shopify Plus is a premium plan designed for large-scale businesses with high volume sales. It offers advanced features including dedicated account management, custom pricing, and extensive customization options. This plan is typically overkill for most dropshipping businesses, especially small to mid-sized ones. So remember that when choosing a plan, consider factors such as your budget, the size of your product catalog, your anticipated sales volume, and your need for advanced features like abandoned cart recovery and gift cards. Most dropshippers start with either the basic Shopify or Shopify plan and then upgrade as their business grows. And additionally, keep in mind that in addition to the Shopify subscription fee, you'll also need budget for other expenses such as domain registration, marketing, and potentially app subscription for dropshipping tools or services. Be sure to factor in this cost when determining your overall budget for your dropshipping business. So if you found this video was helpful for you guys, don't forget to hit the notification bell and like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys for watching this video and hope to see you guys next time. Peace.